Okay, just a quick update on the car. Just got home. Stereo just decided to turn itself off. Nothing there now. Climate control is still seeming to work. Yeah, it's still working. We're going to pop the hood, see if I broke a belt. If that's the cause of this. No. I'm pretty sure she's a one belt system. Belt's still there. Spinning. Fans are working. Well, I'm going to pull her up and see if it's going to start again, or if it's dead, or what the fuck's the problem here? Okay. Let's pull her up. See, it doesn't tell me what gear I'm in on the dash. I'm in drive. As you can see. It doesn't tell me up on the dash that I'm in drive. It doesn't tell me that the door is open. It's not bonging. Okay, time. Pull the key out. Let's close the door. See what happens. Okay, so now we have nothing on. Okay, time to see. Keys in ignition. Tire learning active. So now I have. Okay, this thing has gone absolutely fucking berserk. I still have nothing. And now I have brake light, service parking brake, service ABS. Still nothing there. Now I have no climate control. Car is running. It is in the on position. It could be an ignition problem because when I jiggled the key, let's try shutting her off again. Still saying service airbag. Open the door. That's supposed to go away when you open the door. There, it went away now. Close the door. Gauges are sweeping. Nothing is happening. So see, everything just went out. Everything just came back on. Gauges sweep. The car is running. Let's see. Service power steering, drive with care. Service airbag, park assist system, side detection system, front camera, add washer fluid. Well, I do have washer fluid. I could add that. Tire monitoring system, theft deterrent system. There we go. Let's see if I can turn on my radio. Nothing. Oh, there it goes. Chevy My Link came on. Let's see if I get it to. Oh, it's connecting everything again. So that's all come back. Trying to turn on my. So I have no. So we'll try this again. Doors open. Keys out of it. Stereo is still running. Doors open. I've never in my life seen a car do this.